Congratulations and welcome to your store. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the key features of your dashboard and help you get your store up and running. You'll notice here on the left we have three main menus: Store Management, Sales Channels, and Configuration. The menus under Store Management are the ones that you'll use most often. For instance, the Dashboard, Sales, Catalog, Marketing, and Reports. Sales Channels, you'll spend some time setting those up through the setup steps that we're going to go through. And finally, Configuration is where most of our work will be done with the to-do list, but it's somewhere you probably won't visit very often once your store is up and running. If you head over to Sales Channels and Website, you'll see the link to your new online store. This store was created for you with demo content that you can update and modify in order to get your store up and running. The next step is to add products and services. You'll remember a moment ago I mentioned that your online store comes with some sample data that you can either disable or delete to get your store up and running. There are two ways to get products into your online store. You can click Add New Product, which we'll do in just a moment, or you can import products via a CSV file, Xcart, or Light Commerce. Most likely, this will be the option you'll use if you have a large list of product or if you're migrating from another e-commerce platform. To add a new product is very simple. Click Add New Product. Let's give it a name. We can add a SKU if we want. And if we're going to ship the item, we need to provide a weight. Half a pound sounds good. And we'll need an image. And a quick description. You can add really helpful descriptions using the WYSIWYG editor that your store provides. And finally, we'll need a price. Of course, if you're adding digital products or services to your store, you'll need to uncheck this Requires Shipping or Pickup option so that this shipping option disappears when a customer is checking out. You'll save the product, and now when I go back over to my store and hit refresh, my new product is available in my online store. You'll notice that this item in the to-do list takes us to the Products menu under Catalog in our Store Management section. The next step in our to-do list is to review the regional settings. You can update your store name and store location, your company information, any social media accounts that you want to connect to your store. You can even close the store down for maintenance if you need to make any major changes. You'll also need to confirm your regional settings, currency, weight, store language, and date and time. And you might want to check out any legal pages that you might want to add to your store, such as an About Us page, shipping and payment info, return policy, etc. And of course, any tracking and analytics, such as Google Analytics. If you've made any changes, click Save. You'll note we're on the General menu under Settings in the Configuration section. Heading back to my dashboard, my regional settings are updated. Now I can choose how to deliver the goods and update my shipping. Your online store gives you a number of terrific shipping options. You'll click on Add Shipping, and here in the United States, we have USPS, UPS, FedEx, local delivery, or even any other carrier. As an example, if I click on Set up USPS, the setup guide will take me through all the steps I need to do in order to get this up and running. Clicking on Automatically Calculated Rates for USPS, I can ship orders from my company address or ship orders from a warehouse. Add your details and click Save and Finish. And now USPS has been added, and the automatic rates from USPS are now ready to go from my location. You'll note we're on the Shipping and Pickup menu item in the Configuration section. Finally, you'll set up your payment options. It's really good to get paid for your online store. Clicking there will take me over to the payment area where I can set up my payment options, including cash and the most popular payment gateways available today. It's quick and simple to configure a payment option. I'm going to click on Enable PayPal. And it's just as simple as that. Now, if your username and password are not the right ones for your PayPal account, Go ahead and click on Edit, change PayPal account, and put in your correct information. Click Save, and now PayPal is completely set up to take payments for my store. You'll notice we're on the Payment menu in the Configuration section. Well, that's it. Once you've finished the to-do list, you can start selling online. I should point out before we go, there's a lot of other features available. You can control how your store looks and feels by clicking on the Design menu under the Configuration section. Whether you want large, medium, or small images, the aspect ratio, and more. Once you update these settings, this will be immediately reflected on your store site. So for instance, if I change my image size to small, and I hit refresh over on my store, you'll notice that the image sizes immediately are updated based on the settings that I choose. You'll want to spend time here to get the store looking just the way you want it. The other important area of your dashboard I want to show you is the Reports area. You can download a reporting app that will show you real-time traffic and trends for your store. And it'll give you information that'll help you sell more effectively. Because it's an app, it's something you'll need to install, but it's free. So click View the app and simply follow the instructions. The app is free, but there are additional paid services that Clickin provides. Finally, when you need help, don't worry, we're here. Just click Get Help, and you can search the help articles for any other questions you might have about your store. Well, that's it. I want to congratulate you on getting your store up and running.